Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and discussing the Tecno Pova 6 Pro. While this device has some appealing features, there are some aspects you might want to consider before making a purchase. Let's explore 7 reasons why you might reconsider buying the Tecno Pova 6 Pro. First up, let's talk about the build quality. Despite its sleek design, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro is made of plastic, which might not feel as durable or premium as other materials used in smartphones. If you're someone who values a more robust build, this could be a drawback for you. 2. Moving on, some users have noted that the handset can be a bit slippery and has somewhat sharp edges and corners. This might not be comfortable for extended use, especially if you tend to hold your phone for long periods. 3. Another downside is that the device's body is prone to fingerprints and smudges, which can detract from its appearance. If you prefer a device that maintains its sleek look without constant cleaning, this could be an issue for you. 4. Now let's talk about camera performance. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro's 3x zoom shots at night are reported to be far from usable. Additionally, the absence of an ultra-wide lens and the struggles of the 2MP macro shooter with color temperatures and clarity could disappoint photography enthusiasts. 5. Despite its large battery and efficient chipset, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro's gaming runtime is underwhelming compared to its competitors. If you're someone who enjoys gaming on your smartphone, this could be a significant drawback. 6. Some users have reported that apps and games open slowly on the Tecno Pova 6 Pro and can even crash unexpectedly. This could be frustrating for users who rely heavily on their smartphones for multitasking and entertainment. 7. Some users have reported that apps and games open slowly on the Tecno Pova 6 Pro and can even crash unexpectedly. This could be frustrating for users who rely heavily on their smartphones for multitasking and entertainment. So, there you have it, folks, 7 reasons why you might consider not buying the Tecno Pova 6 Pro. While it does offer some appealing features, it's essential to weigh these drawbacks against your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and discussions. See you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned.